What's the laziest way to make money with AI in 2025? Not some hyped-up crypto coin, not some overcomplicated startup pitch, just real, doable AI-powered hustles that work, even for folks with zero background in tech. That's right, no coding, no Silicon Valley hoodie required. These are real income-generating machines where AI does most of the heavy lifting. The strategies? Smart. The tools? Cheap, or even free. The results? Actually impressive. So let's not waste time. Let's start with number 5, AI thumbnail design. You know those YouTube thumbnails that scream at you with colors, faces, giant words, and floating arrows? They're not there by accident. They're carefully crafted visual traps designed to get clicks. And in 2025, they're more valuable than ever. YouTube is packed with content. Everyone from Grandma's Baking Channel to Gen Z Finance Bros is trying to grab attention. And the battlefield? The thumbnail. That single image decides whether a video gets buried or goes viral. Here's where it gets interesting. Content creators are now hiring thumbnail designers full-time. Seriously. Walk into a serious YouTube studio and you'll meet someone sitting in a room with 2 monitors, churning out thumbnail after thumbnail, testing colors, expressions, fonts. One job, just thumbnails. But here's the twist. That job, it can now be powered almost entirely by AI. Midjourney can whip up stunning visuals. Photoshop's AI tools can touch them up in seconds. Canva AI helps wrap it all up with text overlays and background cleanup. Once someone's got that, it's portfolio time. No one needs to wait for clients. Just grab a few trending thumbnails, recreate them with AI, and boom, instant portfolio. Then it's a matter of picking a niche, fitness, gaming, finance, whatever, and reaching out to creators directly. A simple 60-second Loom video breaking down how their current thumbnails could be better, with a few mock-up examples, is often all it takes. And here's where it gets juicy. High-level clients are happy to pay $50 or more per thumbnail. 5 thumbnails a day? That's real cash. It's not just a side hustle, it's a growing industry. And the barrier to entry? A laptop, a Midjourney subscription, and a bit of hustle. AI vlog generation. Blogging isn't dead, it just evolved. In the age of ChatGPT and search engines transforming into giant chatbots, written content still rules the internet. But the game has changed. It's not about blogging for fun anymore. It's about strategic content that gets discovered by AI search models, ranks well in traditional search engines, and nudges readers toward buying something or trusting a brand. Here's the cool part. AI does 90% of the work now. Anyone who knows how to guide a conversation with ChatGPT can create long-form, SEO-optimized blog posts that sound human, tell stories, and actually get read. The trick? Start with what's already working. Use tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest to find high-performing blog posts in a specific niche. Then, analyze them. Look for structure, headlines, tone, format. From there, it's time to model. Not copy, but use what works as a blueprint. ChatGPT can easily generate a draft based on that inspiration, a few tweaks to add personal stories or case studies, and it's ready to publish. Once a portfolio is in place, maybe 5 to 10 samples, it's time to hunt for clients. That could be small businesses looking to boost their SEO, podcast hosts wanting blog content repurposed from episodes, even affiliate marketers who need content that ranks and sells. And the best part? The income range is flexible. At the lower end, pumping out 5 quick blog posts a day at $10 each for SEO farms adds up. But at the high end? Clients pay $200 to $500 per blog when the post helps them show up inside large language model rankings, basically the AI equivalent of being on page 1 of Google. A podcast producer named Timmer is already doing this at scale, turning podcast episodes into blog posts using AI and earning 6 figures a month. That's not fiction. That's 2025 reality. And the blog itself? Just the beginning. Add affiliate links, promote products, drive traffic. It becomes a money tree that keeps growing, powered by AI, and it's not just about writing for Google anymore. Now, blog content is being indexed by AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini, meaning a well-written post might show up when someone asks a chatbot a question. Plus, those same blogs double as trust builders for personal brands. Consultants, coaches, even online stores, everyone wants high-quality, search-ready content. And if AI makes it easier to deliver, that's a huge advantage. Faceless YouTube channels. Here's one that feels almost too good to be true. Faceless YouTube is quietly dominating the algorithm. These are channels with no host, no face, just storytelling, AI narration, and a stream of B-roll footage, and they rake in thousands every month. Think about it, a channel that never shows a person, just a voice, some video clips, and a killer script. And people are eating it up. Finance channels, mystery explainers, celebrity gossip, fitness motivation, they all thrive in this format. The build-out? Surprisingly manageable. Start with a niche, something people are obsessed with. Think cats, crime, cash, or conspiracies. Then it's script time. Tools like ChatGPT can outline full episodes with dramatic intros, clear explanations, and even punchlines. 11 Labs or Synthesia can narrate those scripts with realistic AI voices. Platforms like Pictory or stock video libraries handle the visuals. It's a complete AI assembly line. Channels start small, maybe $10 to $50 a day through YouTube ads. But once they cross the 10,000 subscriber mark, things explode. CPMs, cost per thousand views, can shoot up depending on the niche. Finance channels might pull in $20 per thousand views. Add in affiliate links and sponsored deals. Suddenly, it's $500 a day or more. And here's the kicker, it's all scalable. Once a process is in place, scripts, voices, video editors, it's possible to launch multiple channels, each targeting different audiences. Some creators are quietly running 5, 10, even 20 faceless channels in the background. It's not a grind, it's a machine. AI website building. New businesses pop up every single day. And guess what the first thing they need is? A website. But gone are the days of spending $10,000 on a custom-coded WordPress site. In 2025, websites are being built faster, cheaper, and better with AI. No-code platforms like Frame, Reloom, and AI Bolt let anyone spin up a beautiful, responsive website with drag-and-drop simplicity. The images, generated in Mid-Journey. The copy, written in ChatGPT. The structure, pre-mapped by smart templates. And clients are still paying top dollar because they don't care how it gets made. They care that it works. For those building sites, the cost to start is shockingly low. Most tools have free tiers or one-time costs. The effort? Medium at best. There's a slight learning curve, especially when it comes to hosting and managing pages. But once the basics are down, it's repeatable. One solid example site can become a portfolio. Build a site for a local bakery, a fake business, a family member, just something that shows what's possible. Then it's time to run the playbook. Reach out to real businesses with that audit-to-deal strategy. A short video walkthrough of their outdated site, a fresh AI-powered redesign, and a low-friction offer. That combo is hard to resist. Smaller gigs might earn $100 a pop, but stack a few, then upsell hosting, AI-powered SEO, blog packages, chatbot integrations. Suddenly, it's a $1,000 project. And remember this, the digital real estate market in 2025 is wild. Everyone wants to rank. Everyone wants visibility. AI websites are the gateway to that, and the people building them are cashing in. And it doesn't stop at building the site. Smart creators are layering in monthly retainers, offering ongoing updates, SEO tweaks, and performance tracking using AI analytics tools. Business owners love it because they never have to touch the back end again. Plus, there's a growing demand for mobile-first design, and AI builders are ahead of the curve on responsiveness. Even niche industries like therapists, fitness coaches, and wedding planners are hungry for polished, modern sites that reflect their brand. And guess what? Most of them have no clue where to start. That's where the real opportunity lives, being the guide, not just the builder. Show up with a finished product, Sprinkle in a few AI chatbots for lead capture, and suddenly the value doubles. The site becomes more than a homepage. It becomes a silent salesperson working 24/7. AI automation agency. This is the big one. While everyone else is still figuring out how to use ChatGPT to write Instagram captions, some are stepping in as automation consultants and making thousands a day. Businesses are drowning in manual processes, lead intake, customer onboarding, payment tracking, follow-ups, reports, emails. It's a mess, and it slows them down. AI automation solves that. And the best part? The tools are mostly no-code or low-code. Zapier, Make, Notion AI, ChatGPT workflows. These platforms link apps together so that things just happen without anyone clicking a thing. The upfront cost is medium. A few software subscriptions, maybe a tool or two that costs $20 to $40 a month. The effort? Also medium. It takes time to understand how the tools work, but it's not rocket science. Teenagers are doing this stuff now. Once one solid automation workflow is nailed, maybe setting up a system that responds to customer inquiries or pulls new leads from a form and adds them to a CRM, it becomes a service. Offer it to businesses for free at first, just to build a case study. Do that 5 to 10 times, and suddenly there's proof of value. Then the big clients come, the ones who say, "We're wasting hours on this every week, can you fix it?" And when the answer is yes, and the result is real time saved and more sales made, they don't blink at a $1,500 invoice. Suddenly, there's a waiting list. Local gyms want help automating their bookings. Coaches want their email follow-ups to feel custom but take zero time. Even real estate agents start calling, wondering if that same AI magic can organize their listings. And it can. Every workflow automated is like adding a new employee, except this one never sleeps and never forgets a task. The secret sauce is choosing a specific use case and becoming the go-to expert for it. Cold email outreach, onboarding, even invoice reminders. Just pick a pain point and own it. Because businesses don't just want tools, they want results. And when someone shows up with a tested solution, backed by actual outcomes, the deals close themselves. These 5 hustles? They're not just side gigs, they're potential businesses, real income streams, and most of them can be started with nothing more than a laptop, some free AI tools, and a bit of consistency. Whether it's thumbnails, blogs, faceless YouTube, websites, or automation, there's a lane for anyone who's ready to dive in. If this sparked an idea, even a tiny one, don't sit on it. Explore it. Pick the hustle that excites you the most and start experimenting. No more waiting for the perfect time. The tools are here, the money is real, and it's time to let AI work for you. Stay curious, stay sharp, and go make something incredible happen.